Hey guys, make sure you stand till the end. One common mistake people make when replacing fuses relays that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today guys will be super helpful video to any of you having a Mercedes E-Class. That generation right here from year 2010 to year 2016. This is known as generation W212 guys. If you have one of those, if you need to find which two fuses control the blower, motor, fan, regulator, stay with us, we'll explain. You have two fuses. One of them is extremely hidden guys in a fuse box that most people don't even know that it exists. We'll explain where you can find it, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time. And why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us guys. Now, if you have a Mercedes E-Class, that generation from year 2010 to year 2016-17 guys, this is the W212 guys. We're going to have a video for every single fuse relay on that car, why things do not work, why we're making this one, because we're trying to save you time and money guys. Let's say you're down the road in the middle of nowhere, your car does not start, you need to find where your engine starter fuse relay is located guys, where you can find fuel injection system fuses, fuel pump fuses. All you have to do, come to the channel, watch that video, 1-2 minutes, you're back on the road guys. In addition, we'll share where you can buy cheap parts and tools, that way you do not waste your money and time. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make guys at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix mechanical, electrical, engine work guys, body work, a little bit of everything. And we have more than 12,000 free repair videos on our channels that can save you thousands of dollars guys in free repair videos. Check it out if you need help with that. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So guys, the fuse now for a blower, motor, fan, regulator. You guys have two fuses that we will need to check. We will demonstrate on that generation Mercedes E-Class. This is the pre-facelifted model here, this is the facelifted model, but it will work for both. So, what we need to do guys, okay, we need to open the hood. When you open the hood guys, here on the driver's side, we have a fuse box under this cover. Open the cover and that's your main engine fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So it is super important guys to always test fuses and relays, and something else as well, common mistakes people make. Sometimes you may think that a fuse is good, or you cannot actually see if the fuse is clearly burned, and in that case guys you may put the fuse back together and you may end up spending money and time on parts you don't need, and all we had to do is just test the fuse. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below how to test the fuse. It takes only a few seconds to find out for sure if it's good or bad. The same thing for relays guys, okay? Some of those could be really expensive on cars, so we'll put a link in the description of the video below how you can test relays. And for some certain fuses guys, it's important to disconnect the car battery when removing them, otherwise you can burn the electronics. And for instance, working on airbags, fuses or anything like that, you need to wait at least 1 hour after disconnecting the car battery. And if you're not qualified and certified to work on airbag system, I will never recommend to do that guys. But when disconnecting the car battery guys, okay, common mistake people make, it's important to know which battery terminal you reconnect first. If you do it the wrong way, you can burn electronics modules. How we know about that? We burn before the traction control module on BMW that cost us $2,000 guys. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below which battery terminal to disconnect first. Check it out for your convenience. So here guys, we need to check one fuse, then we need to go to a different fuse box and check one hidden fuse. Coming towards the front, okay, if we zoom in a little bit, the fuse that we need to check, you have numbers next to it. It's fuse number 1, that's the number, it's right here. That fuse is for blower, motor, fan, regulator. Then you need to open the hood again. That was the fuse box that we worked, but here where you have that positive jump start terminal, okay, that's actually a pre-fuse box. Removed, it looks like this one. That's a different angle, and if you open it, you have multiple fuses inside of it. Now, if you guys need to buy any fuses, relays, parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping for Mercedes or any car, we'll put the link in the description of the video below. Check it out, you can guys save a ton of money. Here, okay, where you can expect to find that one now, Here you have 3 integrated fuses known as PIN1, PIN2, PIN3. That PIN1 fuse, guys, PIN1 right here, yep, that's a fuse that you will need to check for the blower, motor, fan regulator. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you next time.